Hey guys, my name is Ani. I'm one of the producers here at Learn the Dish. I'm going to show you how to make a quick lemon tahini sauce. Great for your salad, great for your falafels. So let's just dive right into it. We need a 1/4 cup of tahini, about 1/3 cup of lemon juice, a dash of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cold water. I use 1 clove of garlic. You can use 2 or 3 depending on how garlicky you like your dish, as well as just a handful of parsley. So let's just dive right into it. Step number 1 is going to be to just finely chop our garlic, and you want it to be not necessarily super fine, but you want to just chop it really nicely. The acidity in the lemon really softens up the garlic, so some people will sit the garlic in the lemon juice just to soften it up some more. You can, it's up to you. I'm going to put the garlic into the dish, put in the lemon juice. I personally prefer to use freshly squeezed lemon juice. I've got a really nice press that I use. But as a kid growing up, my go-to was always one of the hand presses. Round 2 is to take your 1/4 cup of tahini, and you're just gonna put it into the lemon juice. Tahini has a really high fat content. Originally, the mixture will have this very grainy looking look. It doesn't look like a sauce. It looks very separate, very much like when you are mixing water with oil. So with tahini, you just need to have a little bit of patience to make the sauce, stirring really constantly. Slowly but surely, it becomes a lot more consistent rather than being as separated originally when it was just the tahini and the lemon. Based off of your personal preference, once it looks like a consistent sauce, you're going to just take a little bit of water and just pour it in and mix the water in and see what the consistency is. So start with about a tablespoon and run the sauce down to a thickness or viscosity that you basically want. For me, I actually like this thickness. I'm going to add my salt, just a dash. Actually, just chop up a little bit of parsley. I like to have some green in my tahini sauce. Totally optional though. Just pop it into the sauce. Give it a nice stir. Gotta take a taste of it. So good. I am ready to have some falafels. Hope you enjoy the tahini sauce.
Welcome to Learn the Dish.
My name is Miran.
My name is Ani.
My name is Silva.
The best way to get to know a people is through their food.
Today I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh.
I'm going to show you how to make minced.
One of our specialties here is Armenian coffee.
We're building a community to share the traditional dishes just like your grandma used to make.
Everybody would come and ask me for minced.
Always super proud to serve here.
Come with us. Share your recipes too. And maybe learn the dish.
Enjoy.
This is where your strength comes in.
I do it for pomegranate too.